Welcome to ZeedaM Astrology for the brighter day with Vedic astrology to guide you over the sea of life. This is my continuing series for the general tarot reading for all ascendants in the air trine for the period April 3rd to 16th, 2022. This is Tarot Week 14 and 15. Welcome to ZeedaM Astrology. This informational slide on the air trine is fully detailed in my previous videos of the transit series. It is yours to view and look at leisure. Should you have any questions or queries, just drop me a line or look at my previous videos to understand what I'm doing here. The second of my informational slides give you the zodiac view of the trines, the fire, earth, air and water trines in the Vedic astrology. So that again, should you have any queries or questions, drop me a line or visit me at ZeedaMastrology.com. The final slide on information to you in this video for you to better understand what we do in Vedic astrology and what I particularly do for you with the trines, give you the trine synergy in Vedic astrology and the tarot alignment. Again, you can view this at your leisure, read it at your leisure, and any questions that may arise, you can drop me a line or visit my website at ZeedaMastrology.com. Okay, we are going to do the selection of the tarot for the air trine for the period April 3rd to 16. And as you know, I like to do things differently. I like to mix it up a little bit. So I'm going to try a different spread for you or show you a different spread. Just the versatility of the tarot and how it can meet specific needs, or the readings can be different to meet a particular request from a client, so that we can always have our interest piqued or knowledge growing and we develop ourselves. I always wish to transfer knowledge or transfer my research. I am not a hoarder, so that we can all learn and grow as individuals and persons. The first card we have here is the Seven of Wands, and I'm doing a fan kind of spread. Then we have the Three of Swords, and the third card here is the Tower, and then the final card in the first fan spread for the air trine is the Queen of Wands. So we have the Seven of Wands, the Three of Swords, the Tower and the Queen of Wands. The second fan we have the Nine of Cups, then the Two of Cups, then the Six of Cups. Wow, lot of emotion here. And then the Star. My goodness, so emotions in the second fan spread. And my third and final fan spread gives us the Five of Cups, the Devil, my goodness, the King of Pentacles, and the final card in this fan spread here is Death. So the air trine, we have some endings coming up. We have some transformation and new beginnings for you. Let us analyze and see what this period holds for you. Okay, this is the air trine for Tarot Week 14 and 15. And as you have seen from the video, I'm doing a fan card spread, 3 fans for the air trine, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. And the first card that we have here in the first fan is the Seven of Wands. And this is all about challenges, opposition, enemies, but you're holding your own and you're refusing to budge. So that some things are happening in your life or has happened in your life, because this can be the recent past, where you have had some challenges and opposition from your enemies, but you are refusing to budge because you know you have done the right thing, you know you have done no wrong, and you are holding your own. It has brought you a little bit of heartbreak through the Three of Swords. You have grief because there's a lot of miscommunication in getting to the heart of the matter. There has been a lot of miscommunication and grief on your part, but you are the strong person. You are the Seven of Wands holding, and there are still some unforeseen events that are going to happen, but you have accepted that change is the key for you, that this power struggle is going to bring you new beginnings. It's a divine ruling. The tower is out of your control. It's an external force. So a divine ruling is going to bring you some unforeseen events, but you will accept the change because you recognize that these are new beginnings. And the Queen of Wands will give you that assertive strength, that capability, that creativity, that dynamism, because that is who you are and that is who you will be through this heartbreak and grief. Stand your ground, hold your own, refuse to budge. That is what you are, and the Queen of Wands supports that. The second fan that we have here brings through the Nine of Cups, where success, wishes, they're all coming through. Then we have the Two of Cups and the Six of Cups, followed by the Star. And the Two of Cups is all about relationship, you know, happy partners, attraction, balance, blessings. The Six of Cups is about forgiveness, simple joys. There's a bit of restricted freedom, but it's about your past, it's about your childhood. So your memories are going to, you know, have you wishes coming through. You feel a sense of achievement when you look back on your past and your childhood. And the Star gives you that growth, that freedom, that wisdom, that balance. You know, you have it all and you have the clarity of information. So this is a really good reading so far for you, Air Trine. Yeah, you had some past emotional upheavals, you had some heartbreaks, but at this point in time it's all there for you. And then you have the Five of Cups, and the Five of Cups is a little bit about despair. You know, while you have this success and this ambitious achievements and prosperity and abundance, you still have this habit of not understanding what your achievements were in the past. You are looking at what has been spilt and what you cannot change. What is done is done. You can't change what has happened. You learn to live with it. You learn to accept change. So you might be a little withdrawn. It might be a little isolation and painful time and turning your back on certain things. But, you know, remember that you have success. You know, remember you have success, and this is in your future. And the next card, the Devil, shows that you are losing faith. You know, you have materialistic views rather than the spiritual views, and the hope and faith that will hold you, that will take you into the future and guide you into that strong person that you want to be. Go back to the Seven of Swords and understand your strength. Understand that you stood up against the bullies. Understand that you stood up for yourself. Don't lose faith. Don't let the devil, you know, give you that despair or only a materialistic view. You are bounding yourself to this. Think beyond the box. Think beyond the illusion that is in front of you. You know, and the King of Pentacles is there, giving you that little push, that strength, that stability. It allows you for growth and reward. You know, it's reliable, but you need to do it the traditional way. And the traditional way is stand up, look back on your achievements and move on. That is the solid foundation. And Death, the final outcome in this fan card for the future, is travel, journey, hidden expectations, endings, transformation. So what you have to end is you not looking at your achievement. You're only looking at what has been done and spilt, what you have lost, rather than what you have achieved. And if you have lost you know, something material, money, job, house, once you have strength, you can build. Once you have spiritual guidance, your hope and faith can build you and guide you and give you strength and hope. That is the foundation that you should be looking at. Don't look at the material things in life. Those can be built back. They can be bought back. They can be achieved. But if you lose yourself, then nobody can help you. Don't lose yourself over material things. You have been strong in the past. You have come through the Tower and the Three of Swords. You have celebrated. You have family. You have the star in your life. You have things around you that you can depend on. Your family and network and friends are some. Don't hook yourself to the material assets that were in your life or that was in your life that you no longer have. Move on. Take new beginnings from the Tower. Accept the change, and it will give you growth. It will give you rewards. Have that passion and bring back that reliability from the traditional ways of hard work in your life. This is your message, Trine. Well, Trine, this is your message or messages from the Tarot Week 14 and 15 for you. I hope that you continue to be happy, safe, and healthy. And until we meet again, I thank you for listening. I ask that you share, sign up, and subscribe, and that something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dream. Take care. Bye.